Alrighty folks, this is Jaybird Drone out with the Mavic Air 2 today, and we're going to take this quick flight and come back with the precision landing, so stay tuned to my other videos where I actually do a tutorial on the precision landing. So I'm going to start my SD card reading, as I already have my phone recorder. There we go. Home point is set. Let's take her on up. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit subscribe and hit all notifications. And welcome to the Jaybird family. Here we go. I'll let the drone hover over the landing pad temporarily. Get a good idea of the home point. There it is. I'm using the orange side, which you probably can't tell on the camera there, but let's go ahead and do a quick flight. Fire on out. We're going to bring her up. Do the 300 like I have been. Actually, let's do a little bit lower. Let's do 200. There we go. Just gonna fly her out this way a little bit. Very nice day today. It's in the low 80s. No wind, which is always a plus when you're out flying. Just doing a nice little flight for you guys today. We're out over half a mile now. Not gonna go out real far because we didn't start out with 100% battery, which I haven't been out flying this drone in the past close to a week because of the rain we've been getting. But looking good so far. Flying her a little bit lower than normal, but we're still above most of the trees here. Bring her up just a little bit. There we go. Okay, it's over a mile there. I'm just going to take it along this little trail through here. Let's bring her up just a little bit. Let's see, 350. There we go. It's a nice smooth flyer, this Mavic Air 2. Can't beat it for the price either. Especially if you get the fly more combo, it's definitely the best value. Get those 2 extra batteries, total of 3. And then you get the nice carry bag that I use. They're just flying along this water here. Nothing crazy. In fact, let me do this. Camera down. Yep, we got our manned aircraft. Let's see where on the map she is. It went away. Okay, keep an eye on that. Keeping an eye on that battery also. Alright, let's go ahead and hit the RTH and see how close we get to the landing pad. This is taking us up to our set RTH altitude, which is 307, I believe I had it set at. There it goes. Now it's coming towards us. Stay tuned for my Xeno 2 video of the precision landing. And we're just coming back with 29% battery. No need in trying to drain it all the way down and try to be a hero. Just want to get your drone back in one piece. So here we go. It's coming back towards the landing pad, as you can see down there. Right there in the center of the screen. Bring the keep the camera down so you can see that. See how it performs coming down.
Landing.
Okay. Like I've said in the previous videos, if you have your gimbal camera set downward, it will revert back to the center position to avoid any damages, which is a good safety feature. This drone does not use the cameras to detect landing pads like the Xeno 2 or the Fimi X8. It has sensors on the bottom. So let's see how close she gets. We were 4 for 4 on the last videos, so let's see if we can be 5 for 5. Okay. Get close to that pad. Camera goes back up. We're directly over the pad now, and here we go. Bingo. Right where we took off. That is precision landing at its finest. Mavic Air 2. Well, thank you all again for watching Jaybird Drone. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit subscribe and hit all notifications. And on the way out, hit the thumbs up for me. I appreciate it. Thank you kindly. Have a great day and a great start to your week. Signing off.